Alrighty, good morning to everybody. Me and my Sasha girl again today. So we have a track this morning that's very similar to one of her most recent tracks. Her most recent was a 65-hour-old track. This track is also 65 hours. But there's two significant differences in this one opposed to the last one. The last one had no rain on it over the 65-hour period, and it had a half ounce of blood. It had blood because it was originally set up for Brogan to be tracked the next morning at 17-18 hours, and I couldn't get back to it, so it turned into a challenge track for Sasha. I let it sit a couple days and she did fantastic on it. However, this one, also being 65 hours, has no blood, period, zero blood. And over the 65 hours, it's had 3 inches of rain dumped on it. So it's going to be a challenge. I wouldn't bet money either way on this one. If she bombs out, she bombs out. I mean, the dogs do have a limit. But I wanted to give it a try. I didn't know it was going to rain 3 inches. I knew we were going to get some significant rain. But anyway, it is what it is. And I'm going to put her on the hit side here and wish us luck. And, oh yeah, one other thing, the wind. So we have a crosswind, a tailwind, a crosswind again. There's 4 legs of this track, and then the final leg, 150 yards give or take, will be a nose wind. And so if she gets that far, then she'll smell the target. Yeah, she'll smell the target a long way off. But that's the way it's set up. So here we go. Let's rock and roll, baby. Let's rock and roll. There's your deer. I see some hair. I see some hair right here. That's your buck, Sasha. Find it. Go find it. This is the second time using this particular set of hooves, and they were some really good ones too. You'll see a lot of marker flags on this line, and I'm not pulling any of them. I got it heavily marked because these are access points. I like to come in here in the summer and mess around, and it gets pretty thick, and I get turned around pretty easy, so I'm leaving the markers. I'm coming, girl. I'm coming, baby. Looking pretty darn good here. I can't believe this dog can track a pair of hooves from the freezer after 65 hours and 3 inches of rain. That's a significant equation here. Somewhere up here we're going to hang a left. That'll be our second leg of the track. I made a big circle, a big loop, and ended up pretty close to where I started. And this is our turn right here. Yeah, she missed it. I'm gonna go with her though. I always go with her. I pretend I don't know. I always stop for Brogan. It gives him, I think it gives him a clue, but I don't like give her clues anymore. She knew it too. She didn't go past it very far. Come right back to it. Can she continue? That's the question. Can she continue? She knows it's here. She's trying to reacquire the scent. Boom, there she goes. She got it. Going strong too. Strong. Excuse me. I like a little breeze blowing with her. These real still mornings, there's just something about them that she hears a pin drop, like seems like a quarter mile away, and she gets really weird. But she's tracking, so she's gonna have to right here at this big stump. We're gonna make a left. And we're going to go back west. Be another crosswind. Wind's out of the south today. Gonna let her work. She'll figure it out. I'm going to go with her. If this was a real track, I would have to go with her. I wouldn't know any better. She knows it. She knows she missed it. She knows she missed the turn. Are you stuck? I'm coming. I'm gonna come help you. I'm coming. Okay. I'm coming. All right. There you go. Let's go get him now. Come on. Let's go get him. Let's go get him. She didn't even try to pull anymore when she gets rope tension on the stumps. She's so spoiled. She wants me to come and do it for her, pamper her. She's worth it, believe me. I pamper her all day long. That's what it takes. There we go. There we go. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. I just about stepped on a turkey feather right there. A muddy one, too. Alright, she's gonna have to give me a chance to jump over these logs, not like she did, but I gotta get through them without busting my butt. She's pulling aggressively too. She is really locked on. 3 inches of rain. It's just incredible. Not a single drop of blood. I didn't even bring blood with me. She wasn't off the line there either. That was where I was daydreaming the other day. Wasn't looking up at the flags, and I got off the path of the flags over there. I had to make a loop around to get back on it, and she took that step for step. Step for step. So proud. So proud. I think this is another turn. And this is our 4th and last leg of this line. And it's probably a couple hundred yards, maybe close to a couple hundred to the finish line, target. Going to go back, reacquire the line. She's so good at restarting herself. She just does it naturally. She'll go back where she last smelled it and restart herself. And I don't think that's anything special in this dog. I'm pretty sure that's... Hang on, you got a whole tree here with you. Hang on. Anyway, I'm pretty sure this is typical for most seasoned tracking dogs. But it is fun to watch. She's right on this thing. Isn't really a turn. I guess they could call it a turn. We got a jog to the left here. She is so far off. So far off. Yeah, you don't smell him over there, do you? You don't smell him. You don't smell it. You get back on this line and this is going to be a slam dunk. She's going to get over here. She's going to cut that line right now. Boom. There it was. There it was. I swear this is something else. These dogs. Lord help them wounded deer if I ever get Brogan tracking at this level. And I'm pretty darn sure he's got it in him too. I'm more than pretty darn sure. I'm positive. He's a keeper too. I think we're going to nail this track. I think we're going to nail it. She may be smelling that already, that hide. I had a whole hide off of a whole deer, a real small yearling doe. First time I ever used a whole hide, but figured I'd bring it along. Yeah, she's gonna try to shortcut it here. She's winding the target. She's really supposed to go down the trail here. You know what? When I say that, she's supposed to go down the trail here, I think. I think she's shortcutting it because she obviously smells it from a distance. She smells that target. Yeah, I might let her go. I can keep up with her in this stuff. See what she's doing. She's close. She's gonna have to. I think she's behind it. I didn't come in as far off the line I had. You know, if this was a real deer, you're gonna have to put your nose on him. We can't tell the hunter we got him. Look at her. Yeah, she's looking at nose now. She smells that. She smells it. It's probably rotted his tail by now. Been laying here about 3 days. Sasha, I think you're in a little deep. I think you're in a... Shit, I think I smell a skunk too. I don't want to ruin this party. You know, I think I smell that damn hide from here. Where'd he go, baby? Let's go get him. Where's he at? Don't you get sprayed by no skunk. Your ass be riding home in the back of the truck. Sasha, where's that deer? Come on. I think you're behind it. Which means you're not, I don't know if you're gonna smell it from here. I didn't mark the target. Come on, let's go get him now. Let's go get him. I'm pretty sure I smell that thing. It's just a rancid smell. Okay. All right. I smell that damn skunk, though. I hope you're not screwing around here trying to get a skunk. Huh? Oh, you're so close here to wrapping this up. What the heck happened to you? Huh? Where is that deer? Oh, I smell that skunk too. God darn it. Let's get this deer found so we don't get... Oh, I see the hide. She smells it. Look at that wind. Look at that nose. Come on, go find it now. If this was a real track, we'd have this buck recovered. Atta girl. Atta girl. Atta girl. She'll get him now. Atta girl. That's what, you know what, the last 50 yards, she got off the line, and I know it was because she smelled that in the wind. The wind would have been into her butt. She'd have took it step for step right to the deer. Where'd he go? Come on, go put your nose on it now. Go touch it with your nose. Go touch it with your nose, baby. Where's that deer? Where's that deer? Oh, she smells something she don't like. She smells something she don't like. She smells something she don't like. That deer's been ripped on too. Probably coyotes. Oh, you're timid. Look at you. What's bothering you here? Come on, I'll take you over to the deer. Let's go check out this deer. I got your back. I got your back. But you nailed it. You nailed it. Looky here. Looky here. Looky here. Look at that, huh? What a job, baby. What a job. Yeah, that's a great job. Good girl. Good girl. good girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Boy, if we'd have had the wind to our butt, you'd have walked in here step for step right to him. You just crushed that track. Hey, Sasha. Sasha girl, tell me something. Do you have a limit? Huh? 3 inches of freaking rain? Are you kidding me? Do you have a limit? Look what I got for my girl. Looky here. Look what I got for my girl. Oh, she's smelling all over the sticks too. There was critters in here. Yeah, look at that dirt right there all matted down. Yeah, there was critters in here. And she's going away. She don't like it. She don't like it. That's okay. That's okay. Let me turn off this track in here. There you go. Let me turn off this track of that. Huh? That's a good girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Oh, that's a good girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Mwah. You squashed it. You squashed it. Yes, you did. Excellent job. Excellent job. Oh, I can see, yeah, right here. Right here at the end where she veered off. Right here. She's going to get her some of that piece of hide. Holy cow, look at her go, huh? That's it. You earned it. You earned it. I had an old one that was wore out. I brought it along and tossed it here. Well, maybe the critters would pick on that and not pick on the one I left her. Yeah, you can obviously see, I'd say the last 50, 60 yards, she stayed parallel with the line. She just followed her nose with the wind, that's all. She just followed her. But I came down, and then I hooked a left and came off the line about 25 yards this way. A tailwind. There wouldn't be this little misstep right here. That's only because of the wind. But hey, who cares, right? If you're out with a guy and he's trying to find his deer, and the dog gets a whiff of it and walks right to it, that's the name of the game, right? I tell you what, I think that was just amazing. Look at that, 65 hours, and I dumped 3.8 inches out of my rain gauge this morning. Well, I had 0.8 already from the night before. And when I came and laid the track, there was already 0.8 on the ground. But since the track was laid, 3 inches is dumped on this line. Is there any stopping this dog? This is just incredible. Just incredible. But anyway, I'm not going to bore you with any more of my gibberish. Thank you very much if you followed along and watched the video. And if you didn't follow along and watch it, that's okay too. We just appreciate your support. And we will be back. I promise you. All right, see you folks. Bye.